Bisayan soup.
Ah!
Bisayan soup! Ikaw na siya. Bisayan
Ay,
soup.
sige na, pagdali.
Canned goods.
Sige na.
Ang samanta.
Ay! Thumbnail!
Ha?
Thumbnail! Dali! Picture sa! Picture sa! Picture.
Sige, picture sa kadali
Picture,
lang, ha?
picture. Bisaya, English.
Amba?
Mix na lang nato.
Oh, sige.
Okay?
English.
English lang.
English.
Oh,
Mix.
Pallyhook.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Hello,
Hello,
everyone! Tonight, for our dinner, we're making
Odong.
udong is only known for the Bisaya.
The
isn't
Bisayan
it?
soup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tagalog people really
Don't know.
Some of Tagalog knows udong, but not all of them.
Only Bisayan like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah. This is favorite for the Bisaya.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you say who's cooking?
You.
Eh?
You. You're
Yeah.
the one.
What is the ingredients?
Oh.
Ingredients, you can, well, udong is, they always partner it with the sardines.
Yeah. You can,
Yeah.
it's an optional as well. If you put opo, I don't know what is the English for opo. Opo is a
Can you
butter,
just-
girl.
I
Just
don't-
Google it.
Google
What's-
it, opo.
Yeah, opo.
Google Oppo.
Yeah, opo. UPO.
Oppo means yes.
Yeah. No, it's not opo, but opo. Yeah.
Opo. Vegetable opo.
Opo. Yeah, it's
Vegetable,
not, yeah.
vegetable, yes.
Opo.
It's not yet.
It's not opo.
Sorry, we're laughing because opo in Tagalog, in
English.
English, it is yes.
Yeah.
But opo is the vegetable. It's different
Not the-
opo. Right. Okay. Sorry, but this is all we have. The garlic and the onion.
And
We need more viewers.
in the Bisaya, we call it as tinapa.
Not tinapay.
Yeah,
Tinapa.
tinapa. Yeah.
Ah.
Alright. Okay. And
Well, you can put like spring onions in it, but we don't have any. So
this
will
is the
make things-
basic, yeah, the basic ingredients for odong recipe. Alright. Use the whole onion to make the recipe.
All bunyan. Grabe ito kasi. Uy, dili bunyan. Onion.
Onion.
Bombay.
In our language, it's called is Bombay, not Bombay. It's a Bombay. Yeah.
Ako na na. Do it just like a chef, you say like.
Not sure.
I don't have a talent for like.
What's your finger?
Okay.
Shall I start the thing na?
And pour the oil. Oh, nanimong lagi.
Vlogger. Listen man na yung mag-vlogger, oy. It's very difficult become a vlogger.
Pero katawan lang siya, ha? Ano
Oh, gano'n na po kanin mo na Only one?
Grabe po na siya paborito.
Tara, Tara na po
It's more yummy if there were loads of. This is the garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. Immense. Okay.
Hey, don't forget the secret.
Magic
You know what's the secret?
Magic syrup.
Magic!
Sarap!
What's the secret, you say? Magic!
Uh-huh.
In Philippines, we magic everything.
Yeah, we use this
This magic syrup.
That's why it's called magic syrup. All in one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put the oil now.
Right.
Put a little bit of oil. Just to fry the onion and the
You
garlic.
can choose extra virgin olive oil or the
any oil.
yeah, for sure any. Next one.
Cooking with Josephine. You know who's Josephine? Josephine is from Digos.
Not the minute.
Minute Josephine. According to Josephine's mom, she's a minute.
Yeah. Minute means
Minute
crazy.
Right,
Right,
say,
okay,
you do it.
Right. So first, put this
Garlic.
garlic. Okay.
Grabe mo makaukay ni.
Para ako paspas na. Alright. So once the onion smells like
It's not onion.
onion, sorry.
Garlic.
Garlic. Put the onion. Yeah. Cook until the onions and garlic are a little brownish. Okay. Alright. Okay. Smells nice.
Yes, that's nice, isn't it? I like the smell of the garlic and the onion.
Yeah.
What is the sire that smells nice?
Humot kaayo.
Kaayo. If it smells nice, then the next recipe to put in
What?
what eyes, very eyes.
You can
So the
You can put the
next
sardines.
one, put the sardines or the tinapa. That one.
Right.
This is a smoke fish. Smoke fish with sauce, tomato sauce. So that is one. There were lots of flavor. I think there were green and red. The green one is the normal, and the red one is spicy one.
You need to put a bit of water in it.
Yeah.
how much water?
About 2 cans. It really depends how many odong you put in.
Yeah. Okay. So leave it.
Leave it until it's
To
boiling.
boil. It's starting to boil now.
Yeah. In a minute.
It's nearly. Oh, start to boil. Yeah.
Luwag there. Luwag.
Right.
Right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Right.
Right. Next one.
This odong.
Chop it in half.
Yeah.
You can do it.
In the
Like
forehead,
this.
so it's easy. Or you can use your hand like this. So you have two choices.
No,
It's easy.
your mommy is right. You are a minute.
Right. Okay.
Spaghetti.
Yeah.
And put some magic syrup in it.
Magic syrup.
Yeah. You can
Magic
use it in
syrup.
any cooking, the magic syrup.
Yeah.
Just
This is a
just put
secret.
half.
And then how long do you let it boil?
Leave it
Couple of minutes because the udon it will
Until it goes soft.
soft
Yeah.
quickly. And a bit
And
of
put
salt.
salt. Okay. Okay. And then leave it for I think 5 minutes. That will be okay.
Just try it.
Try if it is salty, you can add water.
Lami.
Lami.
Ilawi.
Lammy
Ilang.
means
Lami means
Delicious.
delicious, yummy, tasty.
Tuwa.
This is sudong.
Sodong. This is sodong.
Udong.
Oh, and nagsamo. Tama na timpla. Very good. You wanna try?
Just one.
no, not for me. I'm not a fan of the fish.
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe.
Okay. And the odong soup is ready. And serve with rice. That's it.